What's up, you guys? It's Norinevibes. On today's video, I'm going to share with you extremely deep conditioning protein DIY. So to make our home in deep conditioner, we will need aloe vera, we will need honey, we will need banana, avocado, eggs, mayonnaise, olive oil, coconut oil, Vatica oil. So these are ingredients that we are going to use to make our treatment today. So I've been using this treatment for over 2 years today, but I decided to share because I have good experience with it. My hair is relaxed but is healthy and is full because of this treatment. So I use 1 egg, I use 1 banana, I use 1 avocado, because at the end of the day, when you mix everything, it will be like enough for your hair. Mostly when I make it, I don't use all of it. I use like twice and more. This treatment is great for damaged hair and promotes hair growth. So after I discovered this secret, I have decided to share with you because I love you guys and I've seen a lot of changes. My hair is relaxed, but I can still see a lot of changes. So try this. Whether your hair is natural hair or is relaxed, you can still use it. I've been using this, as I said, for almost 2 years and I've never regretted. And if it's your first time watching my video, please subscribe, comment and share. And if you are a returning subscriber, we love you and welcome. And comment below if you want me to be posting more of my hair routine. So if you're interested in knowing what I do with my hair, please comment below. Or if you have another video you want me to share, please also comment so that I know what you want me to be sharing more. So at this point of time, I'm going to apply my deep in conditioner. But before I do my deep in conditioner, I always wash my hair. So I've been having this hair unwashed for like 2 weeks. So I wash my hair with shampoo that I found in Sally that I'm still trying. I don't want to say a lot because this is my second time trying it. Then after I wash my hair, before I wash my hair, I sectioning my hair. Then so this is after I wash my hair. Then I put my hair into small sections. Then I start applying. Make sure you are applying nicely using your hands. I use later a comb, but I start with my hands. Make sure that I'm not cutting my hair with comb. Sometimes when you use a comb, it's not good for your hair at the moment. And make sure that my hair is detangled with my hands, and I'll be massaging my hair. As you love other part of your body, also love your hair. Sometimes I found that we love other part of our body more than our hair. We forget that most of women, our hair also add beauty on us. So ladies, take care of your hair too. And at the end, you can either put a plastic bag, you can either put this hair cap, whatever you have, and I keep it for like 40 minutes. And I want like my treatment to sink Then I take this brush that I bought on Amazon. Is so cheap. I massage my hair. I want to make sure that my scalp is open, like, so that the treatment go inside. I want to make sure like I enjoy the treatment, because this treatment is not something that you do every day, like every 2 weeks. No, you do it like once in 2 or 3 months. So I want, whenever I use this treatment, to get inside my hair. So I make sure I massage with this brush. I enjoy this brush. If you are interested to know where I buy it, ask on the comment below. I'll put it where I bought it. So I try to use a comb slow. Make sure your comb doesn't cut your hair. So because I know I've been using this deep in conditioner for long, I know my hair is easy, my comb was going to go through. That's why I'm using my comb. Yeah, so this, I'm going to now wash my hair. I'll be back in a second when I'm done washing my hair. See this beauty, see this hair. Oh my god, I'm in love with my hair. Like every time when I use this treatment, I can see enjoyment. I can see like my hair is in the moon. So girls, try this. So I've decided to be sharing word of encouragement every video, or word of God. So today's word of encouragement is, your dream need a CEO. So our dreams require us to be best vision of ourselves. If we are not serious over our vision or over our success, we will never reach our dreams. So let all of us be CEO of our vision. Thank you guys for watching.